If you use your computer at night, you might have noticed a night light kicking in to save your eyes from blue light, but it doesn't always automatically switch off properly. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to fix just that. So the first thing to do if night light isn't automatically switching off for you is to toggle it on or off manually. Now, you might have it in your system tray icons. So if you scroll down in this, you might see night light right here. But if you don't, we can go ahead and search for it in the Windows search menu. Click on night light. And then this appears right here. So as you can see, I have currently disabled it because I don't use nightlight. I prefer using Flux. But in case you do, you can use this button to enable or disable nightlight. Of course, you can't see this through a screen recording, but you can use this button to manually toggle nightlight on and off. If that does not fix, or if you want a more permanent solution for this, you can also try and disable the nightlight schedule. Sometimes Windows can be a little bit iffy with sunset to sunrise times and doesn't really turn the nightlight off. So you can either set manual hours for nightlight to kick in and kick off. If that doesn't work, you can try using sunset to sunrise, or you can just turn the schedule off and toggle nightlight on and off manually. Sometimes though, this problem can also be caused by your GPU drivers, and updating them can fix the problem. To do so, press Windows key plus X to open up the quick access menu and click on device manager. In here, we're going to find display adapters, and we'll see our two GPUs. Well, you might only have one, but since I'm on a laptop with a dedicated gaming GPU, I see both of them. To update your drivers, just right click the GPU of your choice, click on update driver, and then let Windows automatically search for the best drivers. As you can see, I have the best drivers available for my system, but that might not be the case for you, so make sure you go ahead and update both or the one GPU that you see here. Alternatively, you can also use, if you're using an NVIDIA, AMD or Intel GPU, you can use the corresponding utilities to update the GPU drivers. Since I have an NVIDIA GPU, I can go ahead and search for the NVIDIA app, press enter to open it, and then once it opens it up, we're going to go to the drivers menu, and as you can see, I already have the latest G4 driver installed, but you can always click this button on the other side of the screen to check for updates. You can also reinstall the driver if there are no updates available and you feel like the driver installation was a bit off. If that doesn't work either, we can go ahead and delete some registry keys to help fix the issue. Now to do this, press Windows key plus R to open up the run prompt and type in regedit and press enter. Now what we have to do is go over to a specific location in the registry editor. You will find this location in the description below, so that you can just come back and copy paste this right here. This is going to be HKey current user, so didn't quite copy the whole thing properly. Let me just add that manually. Make sure that you're doing it in the right case. Go ahead and press enter. Now, as soon as you're in this cloud folder, you will see a bunch of keys here. So just expand this so that you can see better. And now, as you can see, some of them have blue light reduction state in them. What you have to do is simply come back down and delete all of these blue light reduction settings. What this does is it essentially is resetting the blue light reduction settings or the night light settings that Windows uses to toggle itself on and off, and resetting them forces Windows, or deleting these keys forces Windows to get those settings back up and running again and start fresh. Finally, if nothing else has worked for you, the best bet is to update Windows. A lot of Windows updates can sometimes cause problems with specific Windows features, so updating your Windows to the latest possible version can help resolve the issue. To do this, press Windows key plus I to open up Windows settings, and then head over to the Windows Update section right at the bottom. As you can see, I already have the best updates installed, but you can always go ahead and manually check for updates. If you see one, install it right away, restart your system, and the issue should be gone. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.